Hello, my name is Julius and welcome to a new episode of Photoshop Happy Hour where I combine two random elements together, and today we're combining ancient ruins and astronaut. I started the edit by masking different images I've taken around the world together. I then cut out a cliff edge which the astronaut would be standing on. I found an ocean image with blue water and used generative fill to remove the rock so I had more freedom with the shot. I then masked the ocean in and used the curves adjustment layer to blend it with the beach image. I added a day sky, brightened the horizon by brushing on an overlay layer and blended the horizon edge together. Now it was time to add the astronaut. I used the generative fill tool to create it, and I selected the astronaut from the layer with the subject select tool and moved it up. I had to use generative fill again to add the legs to the astronaut. I modified the shape of the astronaut with the puppet warp and liquify tools and generated a new backpack and a helmet visor. I also generated a new beach and multiple ancient ruins on the big cliff. The last step was to add some atmosphere and a camera filter to achieve this end result. Let me know what you think and thank you for watching.